Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LTL, and I'm Mavis from Tom Mandarin with Mavis. When learning a new language, it's important to pick up some essential phrases that allow you to start having conversations without having to dive into complex grammar first. So in today's lesson, we'll go over 10 basic but very useful phrases that will help you carry out simple conversations in Mandarin Chinese. Phrase number 1, 你好,我是, insert your name here. If you haven't already known, 你好 means hi or hello in Mandarin Chinese. It's a very common way to greet people and to start a conversation. 我 means I, 是 is the to be verb here. 我是, insert your name here means I am, your name. Hi, 你好,我是 Mavis means hi, I'm Mavis. Phrase number 2, 你说中文吗? 你 means you, 说 means to speak. 中文 is Chinese and in general means Mandarin Chinese. Ma is a particle to place in the end of a sentence to indicate a question. 你说中文吗 is a question to ask if someone speaks Chinese. You can also replace 中文 with another language. For example, 英文 means English. 你说英文吗 means do you speak English? Phrase number 3. 这是什么意思? 这 means this, 是 is the to be verb, 什么 means what, and 意思 is defined as meaning. When there is something you don't understand in Mandarin Chinese, feel free to say 这是什么意思? What does this mean? So the person you are talking to can clarify for you. Phrase number 4. 这个多少钱? 这个 means this, 多少 means how much, and 钱 is money. When you are browsing in a store and want to do a price check before committing to buy, that would be the perfect timing to ask, 这个多少钱? How much is this before making your decision? Phrase number 5, 洗手间在哪里? 洗手间 is a polite way to call the restroom in Mandarin Chinese. 在 means in or at a location. 哪里 is where. When you're looking for the restroom, whether it's in the public space or at someone's house, ask 洗手间在哪里? Where's the restroom? And you'll be directed to it. Phrase number 6, 请给我一份, and insert the menu item you want to order here. 请给我一份 means please give me a set of this something you're requesting. For example, 牛肉面套餐, the beef noodle soup combo. 请给我一份牛肉面套餐 means, can I have a beef noodle soup combo? You can use this phrase to order pretty much anything. Phrase number 7, 你有吗? 你 means you, 有 means to have, 吗 is a particle to indicate a question. 你有 something 吗 is a very handy phrase to ask a variety of questions. For example, 你有 Instagram 吗? Do you have Instagram? Would be a question to ask if you're meeting someone new and want to follow that person. 你有笔吗? Do you have a pen? Would be a question to ask if you want to borrow one. Phrase number 8, 你觉得怎么样? 你 means you. 觉得 has the literal meaning of to feel, but in Mandarin Chinese, we usually use it as the meaning of to think. 怎么样 means how, what, or in what way. If you're planning a trip with friends and want to know how they think about the itinerary, show them the itinerary and ask, 你觉得怎么样? What do you think? To get their opinions. Phrase number 9, 你可以再说一次吗? 你 means you, 可以 means to be able to or can. 再 is again, 说 is to say, 一次 means one more time, and ma is a particle to indicate a question. When you're having a conversation and didn't get what the person was saying and wanted them to say that again, it's perfectly fine to ask, 你可以再说一次吗? Could you say that again? Phrase number 10, 你知道, fill in the blank, 吗? 你 means you, 知道 is to know, ma is a particle to indicate a question. When you want to ask if someone knows something, use 你知道 something 吗? For example, if you want to ask what day is today, say 你知道今天星期几吗? 今天 means today. 星期几 means what day. 你知道今天星期几吗 means do you know what day is today? Let's combine it with what we learned in phrase number 4. 这个多少钱? How much is this? 你知道这个多少钱吗? Do you know how much is this? One additional word that's essential I want to add is 请问. Excuse me. 请问 is a polite way to initiate a question. I recommend adding this to the beginning of your question whenever possible. For example, 这是什么意思? What does this mean? 请问这是什么意思? Excuse me, what does this mean? Would make you sound a lot more friendly and courteous. Alright, that's a wrap. If you're looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese, check out the links in the description box. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!